Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to verify ownership on Temu. So to verify ownership on Temu, you have to start by opening the Temu application on your device, and once you're inside the application, feel free to browse and select any product that catches your eye. Then you just have to add it to your cart, and if you like, through this part, this isn't necessary for the verification itself. After that, you just have to look at the bottom menu and tap on the You section, which is basically your personal profile account hub. So once you're inside the You section, the next step is to tap on Settings. So this will open a list of different options related to your account preferences and security. So here you just have to select the account security, which is the section where you can manage your account safety settings, and verify ownership. In this account security area, you'll notice whether your email address is already verified or not. So if it's not verified yet, Temu will prompt you to complete the process by sending a verification link to your registered email address. So you just have to open your email inbox, find the message from Temu, and click the verification link provided. Once that's done, your email will show as verified in your account. So in my case, it was already verified, so I didn't have to take any extra steps. But if yours isn't, then you just have to do it. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!